Does kiwi help you sleep? Believe it or not, kiwi fruits may be beneficial in promoting better sleep. Researchers have conducted studies that suggest consuming kiwi may improve the quality and duration of sleep. Let's explore the potential sleep benefits of kiwi and the underlying reasons behind this. Kiwi and sleep benefits. By the way, be sure to like and subscribe. It helps the channel out. A study published in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming kiwi fruit on a regular basis led to improvements in sleep quality, sleep onset latency, and total sleep time. The participants consumed 2 kiwi fruits 1 hour before bedtime for 4 weeks. The study found that the participants fell asleep faster, slept more soundly, and experienced longer sleep durations. There are several factors in kiwi fruit that could contribute to these sleep benefits. 1. High in serotonin. Kiwi fruit is a rich source of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in regulating mood and sleep. Higher serotonin levels are associated with better sleep quality and improved mood. 2. Rich in antioxidants. Kiwi fruits are packed with antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Inflammation and oxidative stress have been linked to sleep disturbances, so consuming antioxidant-rich foods like kiwi may help improve sleep. 3. Contains natural melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone that helps regulate the sleep-wake cycle. Kiwi fruits contain small amounts of naturally occurring melatonin, which may help signal to your body that it's time to sleep. It's essential to note that, while these studies are promising, more research is needed to confirm the effectiveness of kiwi fruit as a sleep aid.